Hi Pixelers! Grab your pencils and papers because today we're going to draw this cute kawaii pizza. For this drawing, we'll need black, yellow, orange or light brown, red, and pink colored pencils. This drawing is 21 squares high and 19 squares wide. Let's start by skipping 3 squares from the top down. In the fourth square, we'll mark 3 vertically with black color. To the top right, 2 horizontally. To the top right, 3 horizontally. To the top right, 7 horizontally. To the bottom right, 3 horizontally. To the bottom right, 2 horizontally. To the bottom right, 3 vertically. To the bottom left, 1. From this square to the bottom right, 2 horizontally. At this square height, go up 1. To the top right, 2 horizontally. To the top right, 9 horizontally. To the bottom right, 2 horizontally. To the bottom right, 3 vertically. From this square to the bottom right, 2 horizontally. To the bottom right, 2 vertically. To the bottom left, 2 horizontally. To the top left, 2 vertically. Here mark 2 horizontally. Here go up 1. From this square to the bottom left, 2 horizontally. To the bottom left, 2 vertically. To the bottom right, 2 horizontally. To the top right, 2 vertically. Here, mark 2 horizontally. up 1. From this square, go down 1. To the bottom right, 2 vertically. To the bottom right, 2 vertically. Again, to the bottom right, 2 vertically. To the bottom right, 2 vertically. Once more to the bottom right, 2 vertically. To the bottom right, 2 vertically. To the bottom right, 1. To the top right, 2 vertically. To the top right, 2 vertically. To the top right, 2 vertically. Again, to the top right, 2 vertically. To the top right, 2 vertically. Once more to the top right, 2 vertically. From this square, skip 4 squares to the right and mark 1. To the bottom right, 1. To the top right, 1. Now let's color in all the square we've marked. I invite you to subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the videos I'm preparing for you. This way, you'll be part of the Pixelator Club, which is what we call our family here at Pixelados. Now, take the pink color and mark 2 horizontally here. Here, mark 2 horizontally as well. And now, color them in. Now take the red color and from this square to the top right, 2 vertically. At the right line, mark these 2 vertically. From this square to the top right, 2 horizontally. On the bottom line, mark these 2 horizontally. Here, 2 vertically. From this square to the left, 2 horizontally. From this square, go up 2 horizontally. And color them in. Take the orange or light brown color and color this area. In the top corner, you can find the link to my Spanish pixel art drawing channel, where you will find hundreds of drawings with subtitles. Now take the yellow color and paint the rest of our pizza. In the top corner, you'll also find the links to my craft channel and my gaming channel. That's our drawing for today. If you like it, don't forget to support the video with a super pixelated like, and if you made it this far, comment with pizza emojis. Thank you so much, Pixelers, for being here in a new video. I'm sending you a big hug and lot of love from my pixelated heart. I'm Paito and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!